us being able to recognize African Afro-urban talent across the entire world, but also giving a platform to showcase and be able to give our own narrative in our own way. I think a lot of the time, African stories are told by other people. So I think for the first time, we're able to tell our stories in our own way, create a platform that takes our music to the rest of the world, our culture as well, and just creates a platform that enables African and Afro-urban creators to stand up and shine. And so for us, this is important. I think it's excellent that we get the opportunity to do it in Rwanda. Rwanda has excellent facilities, excellent people, and the vibe is everything just coming together and making this happen. So we're extremely excited. We urge all of us to support the initiative because it talks to us recognizing Africans that are excelling across the entire world. So thank you very much.
Fantastic. For us, by us. African music is what's making the whole world dance at this moment anyways. We might as well have our own award. So I totally get what you're saying. Olainka, Pernod Ricard, and Martel as brands, or as a brand, are known for being distinctive for the discerning drinker. What synergies does Pernod Ricard see between the Trace Awards and the Martel brand? I mean, I should know, for one, but go ahead.
Thank you, Reggie. And I think as Valerie and Danny have rightly said, Trace has been supporting African music for 2 decades now. So for us, it's also a privilege to be able to do this with them. Pernod Ricard, through our brands, like Martel, like Bel Air, historically have supported African music as well. I mean, some of you know about Davido, Martel partnership with Davido, about Bel Air working with breakthrough artists that tend to do things differently and make things happen. So for us, it was a no-brainer supporting this. Obviously, coming to Rwanda is always a privilege. It's like my 16th time here, so it's always an amazing place to be. So for us, again, it's a privilege to celebrate African music, obviously celebrate our partners, Trace, hopefully in the future visit Rwanda because we'll continue to visit. So pretty much a perfect partnership in this case.
Fantastic, fantastic. Thank you very much. Once again, you guys do a fantastic job. Just to let you know, for those who are on social media or want to participate on social media as you drop pictures, etc., get the conversation started. Trace Awards Rwanda 2023 is one of the hashtags. Trace Awards and Festival is the other hashtag. And Trace Awards Tour is the other hashtag. So please use those. Photographers and videographers, please come closer to take pictures before we move on. Thank you very much. Let's do this as quick as possible. We'll have artists right after.
CV,